Hey coders, welcome to the Spring 2023 Youth Coding League Championship Awards. I'm Stacy Dohan Lane, and I've been working with Youth Coding League coders and coaches since we launched the league, hoping to set students just like you, from any background, city or small town, up for the very brightest of futures. If you're interested in working in tech someday, you have already started to build that skill set this spring in the Youth Coding League. Michael Jordan said that talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. And as middle school coders worked through the Friends curriculum this season, you learned that you can go farther together. We're kind of doing the same thing with a first-of-its-kind partnership across southern Missouri that will create high-paying jobs in tech and help innovative companies grow. It's called Innovate SOMO, and it's supported by over 100 companies in the region and includes tons of partnerships. You can't aim as high as Innovate SOMO does without a little help from our friends. And thanks to that teamwork, there's no limit to the impact Innovate SOMO can have. Those skills that you learned this season in the Friends curriculum, they can help you achieve more than you ever could on your own, just like we're doing with Innovate SOMO. Junior high coders, you learned the basics of coding and computer science this spring while working through the sports curriculum. Entrepreneur in residence at Codify and CEO of SwipeSum, Michael Seaman, used his foundation as an athlete to launch his payment processing company to success. A pole vaulter at Stanford University, Michael took the leap and trained at the U.S. Olympic Training Center before pivoting first into tech sales and then into founding his own startup. Now, Michael uses technology to help customers get the fairest deals on payment processing, and coding and computer science play critical roles in his company's success. And it all started with Michael's athletic background, as he set up his company to function like an Olympic team, showing that sports and computer science come into play off the field too. I know, you're here for the prizes, but before we get down to our big winners this season, we need to say thank you. The Youth Coding League wouldn't be what it is without dedicated support from some really special folks. First up, you guys. Every single season, we are wowed at what you build and create and how hard you work to equip yourselves with future-ready skills. Your coaches. You said yes when asked to give even more of your time and energy to your students, and we are so grateful that you did. Supporting organizations make the Youth Coding League possible at many of our schools, financially supporting teams in their communities. In Kentucky, the McCracken County Public Library makes the Youth Coding League a reality for 6 of their local schools. Crowder College supports teams throughout southern Missouri thanks to a Catalyze Challenge grant, and the Missouri Technology Corporation and eFactory fund teams in southwest Missouri. The University of New Mexico Taos Hive. Red Wing Ignite in Minnesota supports teams at schools throughout Goodhue County. We're also really fortunate to work with generous donors who like to remain anonymous in their support for young coders. All of these contributions enable us to take care of our coaches and coders and run the Youth Coding League. Our friends in tech show up each season and give their time, and we are so appreciative. Hero Technologies, Vizient Inc., code coaches and graduates from our adult coding program, Code Labs, and the Codify Labs dev team. Okay, prizes, here we come.
The weekly rankings were on fire this season, and the race to first in the regular season team rankings was really close this spring. We're so proud of the middle school division's top placing team from Custer Elementary School in Hardinsburg, Kentucky, with 78 points, and the junior high division's first place team from Kirkwood, Missouri's Christ Community Lutheran School with 74 points. We hope you guys enjoyed your pizza parties. Through 9 weeks of learning and competition in the Youth Coding League's regular season, these coders aimed high. Each week they applied a new computer science skill in their projects and were scored on agility, awareness, endurance, experience, intellect, reliability, collaboration, and ingenuity. Here are the top 10 individual coders in each division for the Spring 2023 regular season. We're so proud of you guys, and those cash prizes are well deserved. Our most improved coders are selected by their coaches and set the standard for diligence, dedication, resiliency, and growth. Your checks are in the mail, and we are so proud of the most improved coders this spring. All season, we get the chance to work with amazing educators who are delivering the YCL to their coders. We want to take this opportunity to show our gratitude and our appreciation to each and every one of you. We know your plates are super full, yet you make it a priority to serve your coders. There is one rookie coach in particular that comes to mind whenever thinking of an epic educator. That is Truman Elementary's Pam White. Pam has been a wonderful first-time coach. She isn't afraid to ask questions and is always advocating for her team. Congratulations, Pam.
Our technical merit category looks at code and code alone. Groups of industry pros gather to evaluate these projects anonymously, and their scores determine who takes home prizes. Our middle school division spring 2023 technical merit winners kick off in 12th place with the Hillbilly Billies from King City, Missouri. Power banks to keep your coding devices charged are your prizes. In 11th place, congrats to the Happy Little Dinosaurs from the Out of Door Academy. We're sending reusable digital notebooks your way to Sarasota, Florida. Aqua Helpers captures 10th place in Glow in the Dark Capture the Flag games, and it's Truman Elementary out of Nevada, Missouri. Cape Girardeau Central Middle School Untitled Document lands 9th place. The Christians from Zion Lutheran School in Belleville, Illinois wins 8th place. Out of Essex, Missouri, Richland Elementary's AAA takes home 7th place. In 6th place, we've got the 3 Purple Peeps from CASSVILLE Intermediate in CASSVILLE, Missouri. Your drones are on their way. Jackson Middle School's Psy Kids from Jackson, Missouri win hoverboards and 5th place. In 4th place, winning electric scooters are the Flying Gorillas from Breckinridge County Middle School in Hardinsburg, Kentucky. Vlog away with your new camcorders. The meme team from Branson, Missouri's Cedar Ridge Intermediate, you won 3rd place. The suspense is starting to get to me this close to the top. In 2nd place, we have the CIE from Bluffview Elementary in Lake City, Minnesota. And finally, in 1st place for 5th and 6th grade technical merit, it's the Flying Bananas from Taos Academy Charter School in Taos, New Mexico, and each member of this team wins $500 cash. What a field of technically amazing projects from our middle school division technical merit winners. The power of partnerships help these winning coders take home big prizes in the community favorite category. Cheered on by their communities, the middle school division spring 2023 community favorite winners start with 12th place for the Coding Girls from Jackson, Missouri's middle school. In 11th place, congrats to AAA from Essex, Missouri's Richland Elementary School. Snagging 10th place is Beluga Shrek from CASSVILLE Intermediate School in Cassville, Missouri. Winning self-scrambling robot cubes and adding a 9th place community favorite win to their 3rd place finish in technical merit, we've got the meme team from Cedar Ridge Intermediate in Branson, Missouri. What a prize package for you guys this season. The Hustlers from Scott County Central can code their next winning project on their very own tablets as they take 8th place home to Sikeston, Missouri. The Aqua Helpers from Truman Elementary add a 7th place community favorite win to their 10th place technical merit finish, and you guys can capture the moment on the instant cameras that we're sending your way. Winning 6th place are the Red Peppers from Sikeston Middle School in Sikeston, Missouri. 4th place in technical merit and now 5th place in community favorite are the Flying Gorillas from Hardinsburg, Kentucky's Breckinridge County Middle School, and you guys win your very own hoverboards. They scooted into 4th place and now win electric scooters. Well done to the Disco Donkeys from the Out of Door Academy in Sarasota, Florida. You can vlog your next Youth Coding League season with your new camcorders. The Flying Bananas are back for more after taking home 1st place in the middle school technical merit category, and now they're adding 3rd place in community favorite to their winnings this spring. The LOI Team Warriors fought their way to 2nd place and are bringing home Chromebooks to Lone Oak Intermediate School in Paducah, Kentucky. And finally, in 1st place, winning cash prizes of $500 each and inspiring the support of their entire community. We are so excited for Hardinsburg Elementary's The Writers of History from Hardinsburg, Kentucky. All of these community favorite winners built something so amazing that your communities rallied behind you. Congratulations.
The Junior High Division's Spring 2023 Technical Merit winners fought their way through 3 tough rounds of competition and were judged by software developers based on how well they applied their new coding knowledge and skills from the regular season in their postseason work. In 7th place, we have the Cherry Blossoms from Zion Lutheran School in Belleville, Illinois. Squad 7 takes 6th place in LED Flying Disc home to Goodhue Elementary School in Goodhue, Minnesota. The Minnesota contingent continues to clean up. In 5th place, we have Kenyon Wanamingo's General Kenobi. The Bleckums score 4th place representing UREY Middle School in Walkerton, Indiana. Jackson Junior High's The Coding Cup from Jackson, Missouri lands the 3rd place spot in a reaction light training set. They'll be coding next season's projects on their very own laptops. In 2nd place is CASSVILLE Middle School's Classic Ping Pong from CASSVILLE, Missouri. And finally, in 1st place, with a project that really impressed every judge who evaluated it for their custom work, stylish animations, and attention to detail, we have the Cranberry Coders from Christ Community Lutheran School in Kirkwood, Missouri. And each teammate is taking home $750 cash prize. Thanks for wowing the professional software developers who judged your projects. It's pretty amazing to see our Junior High Division coders grow from season to season. These winning Junior High Division community favorite teams have some serious school pride that helped catapult them to big winnings. Scott County Central's Sports for All captures 7th place. Nicely done. In 6th place in community favorite, after taking 7th in technical merit, we've got the Cherry Blossoms from Zion Lutheran School in Belleville, Illinois, who added an LED flying disc to their prize winnings this season. 1st place in technical merit was just the start of the Cranberry Coders, who also scored 5th place in community favorite, a double threat. Excellent work to these Christ Community Lutheran School coders. The Solo Cougars from Rogers Middle School in Afton, Missouri landed 4th place in sports action cameras. The Silly Gooses got it done with a 3rd place win for Taos Academy Charter School in Taos, New Mexico. Winning laptops, 2nd place, and taking home 6th place in technical merit 2 are our Minnesota friends, Squad 7 from Goodhue Elementary School. They're having a heck of a rookie postseason. In 1st place, we have the Bleckums from UREY Elementary School in Walkerton, Indiana, with a 4th place technical merit win stacked on this 1st place finish, netting each coder $750 in cash. Your communities turned out, and you gave them a reason to support your hard work. Congrats to all of our community favorite winners.
What an exciting season, what amazing accomplishments from the coders, and what a field of prizes we cannot wait to get in your hands. Whew. Before we sign off, know that you can keep this momentum going and learn more this summer to bring even more coding skills and fierce competition to your fall 2023 season. We're super stoked to announce that we're taking our own learning leap in the fall by launching our very own curriculum for our 7th and 8th graders. We've been working away and having it thoroughly tested and vetted by past Youth Coding League grads and educators, and we are on fire for the day we get to put it into your hands to see what you're going to build and create. See you next season.